Hello everyone, my name is John and I am the director of ICAN Consultancy. I started my career as a software engineer, working in agile Scrum teams and then transitioned into product management. In the last 8 years, I have been working on agile product management. I have Scrum certifications both as a Scrum Master and as a Scrum Product Owner. I have several certifications from reputable universities and I have worked with large enterprises like TeliaSonera Turkcell, medium-sized companies like Landesk, and startup companies like AdUnity. Now, I am a strong advocate of agile practices and especially Scrum. In today's fast-paced, competitive world of commercial, new product development, speed and flexibility are crucial. Companies are increasingly realizing that the old, sequential approach to developing new products won't get the job done. Instead, companies are using a holistic method. As in rugby, the ball gets passed within the team as the team moves as a unit. In software products, this new method came to life with the Agile Manifesto, and Scrum became the industry standard in software development project and product management. In this course, you will not only learn about the product ownership in Scrum, but also will have detailed knowledge on Scrum to direct your team using the best practices of Agile and Scrum. This course is useful for Scrum Masters, Scrum Product Owners, and Product Managers who will transition to Agile environments or Product Managers who will start their journey as a newbie. Business analysts, testers, software developers can also step into their Product Owner role journey with this course. You don't need any background or expertise for this course. At the end, you will be able to run Scrum ceremonies as a product owner, manage a product in an Agile environment, make delivery estimations in Agile, implement the necessary organizational changes to run Scrum in a company, and also the basics of Scrum. The topics we will cover in this course are Roots of Agile and Scrum, Basics of Scrum, Scrum roles, events, artifacts, and rules, Product Owner role in detail, how to create a product vision, product backlog, release planning, being a product owner in sprint meetings, how to become a product owner. There is a Korean proverb that says, "Starting is half the task." Congratulations! By finishing the first lecture of this course, you finished half the task. Don't lose this spirit and start the next lecture right away.